Beneath an archway adorned with 10 golden pentacles, an elder sits wrapped in a patterned cloak. Nearby, a couple converses gently as a child reaches towards 2 white dogs resting at the old man's feet. Behind them rises a prosperous town of towers and banners. The Ten of Pentacles is earth-fulfilled, legacy, continuity, and the lasting structures that outlive a single lifetime. The elder is the central symbol. Grey-bearded and contemplative, he embodies a life that has ripened into wisdom. His cloak, patterned with moon-like circles and flowers, reflects experience distilled into insight. His gentle hand resting on the dog's back shows authority softened into care. He no longer strives to accumulate, he blesses, stabilizes, and passes on. Through him, Earth completes its arc from seed to stewardship. The dogs form the second symbol. Loyal and attentive, they represent inherited devotion, instinctive continuity passed from one generation to the next. Their calm presence affirms that the elder's legacy is not only material but emotional. Trust, affection, and fidelity carried forward as living inheritance. The couple nearby is the third symbol. They embody partnership strengthened by prosperity, the practical union that ensures the family legacy endures. Their subtle lean toward one another reflects stability and shared responsibility. They are the present custodians of the elder's achievements, holding the bridge between past and future. The child reaching towards the dogs forms the fourth symbol. Innocent and curious, he represents the future receiving the blessings of the past. His gesture completes the generational circle. Wisdom meets wonder, security meets play. The 10 is not stagnant wealth, but a breathing lineage. The fifth symbol is the archway inscribed with 10 pentacles. It forms a sanctuary around the scene, elevating domestic life into tradition. These coins function like a family crest, signaling prosperity made structural, wealth that supports community and endures across decades. The arch is a gateway, welcoming future generations to step into what has been built. Behind them, the town expands outward, weaving private stability into the fabric of community. True abundance extends beyond the household, shaping shared prosperity, institutions, and cultural memory. In readings, the Ten of Pentacles signifies long-term success, family harmony, inheritance, and the completion of a major life cycle. It promises stability, belonging, and the deep satisfaction of seeing one's efforts become lasting foundations. Its guidance is to consider not just what you gain, but what you build for others.